It's time to look at the top automotive news of the week. Ferrari has finally put a name to its first all-electric car. Say hello to the Ferrari Luche. The cabin of the car has been unveiled with a design that swaps clutter for clean surfaces, sustainable materials, and a giant central display. The brand is promising a new kind of GT experience, with instant EV torque backed by the emotional cues Ferrari loyalists expect. Back home, Tata Motors and Jaguar Land Rover have fired up their new greenfield plant at Panapakkam in Tamil Nadu. The very first model rolling out is a made in India Range Rover Evoque, with the site set to build next-gen ICE and EV models for both domestic and export markets over the coming years. On the infrastructure front, Mumbai has opened India's first musical road on the coastal road stretch between Rahman Point and Worli. Specially cut rumble strips play A.R. Rahman's Jai Ho when you drive over them at highway speeds, turning a regular commute into a uniquely Indian sonic experience. In Formula One, Cadillac has unveiled its striking split black and white livery for its 2026 debut season, complete with Ferrari power as the grid resets under new aero and hybrid rules. Aston Martin has also shown AMR 26 in classic green, the team's first car with Honda Works, as they gear up for the new era.